Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning, and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Janey Cline. She's the Hart County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Janey.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Janey, this is a trendy kitchen gadget, and it might be on some people's Christmas list, and you're going to kind of tell us the good, the bad, and the ugly about this.
Yes, I love my electric pressure cooker. I use it all the time. It's a great time saver, but there are some disadvantages to an electric pressure cooker. So we'll talk a little bit about those as well. But I just wanted to mention that a lot of the electric pressure cookers, they are multi-purpose. You know, like they are a slow cooker as well as the electric pressure cooker. Ninja is coming out with a new product during the holidays, and it actually will be a deep fryer, an air fryer, a dehydrator, an electric pressure cooker, and a slow cooker. So it will do a lot of different things, but and so I'm sure there'll be others that will follow, you know, other brands that will follow. So if you like to get on the
cutting edge, right?
Then you might look into this. They will run about $250, you know, but it looks like an exciting appliance. It really does.
Yeah, to do all those things, because you know, it takes up so much space. I know that that's a complaint about all the different kitchen gadgets, but if it'll do all those things.
Right. So you just have one appliance sitting on your counter versus four.
Right. And
actually the price is pretty steep, but when you consider buying all of those appliances, it's really not that expensive. But like I said, if you'll wait a little bit, probably the prices will go down, and also they'll work some of the bugs and that type thing out of it. But let's talk a little bit about the pressure cooker. One of the greatest advantages to me to a pressure cooker is the time saving.
Right.
I can come in from work if I have forgotten to put on my pinto beans, which is a staple at our house, and throw them in my electric pressure cooker, and they'll be finished in about an hour.
So no soaking, anything like that.
No.
Quick.
Yes.
In the electric pressure cooker.
Yes. And if you keep in mind that you need to not put as much water in a pressure cooker, because the water's not going to evaporate. So if you read the recipe, and there's a lot of recipes out there for the electric pressure cookers, or we have them at the extension office, and make sure that you just put the amount of water it's supposed to be. The beans they have great thick soup, and they're just wonderful in the electric pressure cooker. But another advantage to the electric pressure cooker is being able to cook meats that are less expensive. So, you know, it'll tenderize it and just really make it just awesome.
And the reason for that is it's actually cooking with pressure.
Yes. Right? Yes. Yes.
And so it's important to know about the parts of an electric pressure cooker and make sure our vents are clear and those type of things as well, right?
Yes, that is correct. And you'll want to read the manual to see if you can actually put these in the dishwasher, because some models you can put the lid in the dishwasher, and then of course you have your ring and your rubber ring that you want to make sure is always in good shape, and if it's getting cracked or dried out or whatever, you want to be sure and replace that. Your inner pot is also dishwasher safe, so very easy cleanup, which is another advantage.
Definitely so. And a lot of times you can make these one pot type meals.
You can.
With the electric pressure cooker, which is nice and somewhat convenient.
Yes. And you also can put foods in here that are still frozen. So, that will cook quicker. But you have to think about, too, the time it takes for the pressure to rise, and then the time it takes for the pressure to go down. Some of the recipes will call for a quick release. Others, you'll have to wait till it completely cools. And that does take, about 15 minutes for the pressure to rise, and about 15 minutes for it to lower, so that you can actually open it, and the valve and stuff will release.
All right. Now we have a lot of information, though, at the extension office, even some recipes that you mentioned, so people can just come by and pick those up or give us a call.
Yes. One of the most interesting ones I've run across is an apple crisp. So
I've actually made that one, Janey, and so I think that it's a great tool, but learn more about it before you go out and purchase it. We don't want to have a kitchen garage of appliances, but if you learn how to use it, yeah, I think it'll be great. So appreciate the information, Janey, and appreciate you watching. Have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.